Welcome to Polaris Accuracy Assessment Kit training. In this video, you will learn how to use your AAK tool, a feature designed to help you check the accuracy of your Polaris camera directly on site. This tool is ideal for use on the OEM manufacturing floor or in clinical environments, providing confidence in camera accuracy and ensuring lasting precision. Your Polaris AAK includes a calibrated AAK tool, a tool handle, USB stick containing a tool definition file, and a product card with download instructions. The tool consists of two rigid bodies comprised of 5 markers on each end, and a sticker label with the AAK tool information. The Polaris AAK software includes one workflow specific to your camera and generates a Polaris AAK Accuracy Certificate with a pass or fail result that will be saved to your desktop. Set up your camera and monitor facing forward with a clear standing area of about 2 meters in all directions. Connect the Polaris camera to your computer and launch the AAK application software. Select your camera and upload the correct tool definition file from the USB. Enter the IP hostname and click on Use TCP to proceed. This information will appear in the report. Select the standard or extended pyramid volume. Click the Collect button to begin the assessment process. Before beginning the AAK workflow, the AAK application will prompt you to hold the AAK tool in 2 different positions. The first position will be at a lower height than the second position. Observe the rigid body information indicators. When both rigid bodies are tracking properly, the collection status countdown of 5 seconds will start automatically. The AAK workflow collects detailed data using several dynamic paths known as buckets. To initiate the workflow, follow the blue bucket progress bar on screen to guide tool placement and begin collection. For each bucket collection, align 2 elements. 1. Orientation. The tool's actual orientation is shown by a black line and ring, known as the tool origin, which moves as the tool is rotated. To properly orient the AAK tool, slowly move it until the tool origin falls within the target zone. Observe the colored rings surrounding the target as they indicate tracking status. Red means too few markers are in view. Yellow means the rigid body is partially out of volume. And green means the tool is tracking properly. 2. Distance. Use the hints to maintain the appropriate distance between the AAK tool and the camera. The software provides user feedback during collection through the angle constraint indicator and directional prompts to achieve the correct tool placement. Directional hints include Move tool left, Move tool right, Move tool forward, Move tool back, Rotate tool clockwise or counterclockwise. The angle constraint indicator appears green when the tool is aligned in the correct angle. If it isn't, a tool off angle message appears. To continue bucket collection, you must adjust the AAK tool angle in relation to the camera. Hold the tool steady as you move through each of the buckets. Once all buckets are collected, the AAK results will appear, indicating whether the camera has passed or failed the accuracy assessment. You can save, print, or preview the full report. If the accuracy check fails and an accuracy correction is needed, the camera must be returned to NDI for a recharacterization and accuracy correction. Please contact your NDI representative to coordinate the return. Use two hands, one at each end of the AAK tool. Ensure the markers face the camera at all times. During each bucket collection, move smoothly using only your lower limbs. Use the on-screen directional hints to assist with alignment. The black line and ring, known as the tool origin, represents your live tool orientation. Move or rotate the tool until the tool origin matches with the target. The bucket information on the top left corner tracks your progress through the workflow. The left view shows the front-facing perspective of the tool. It represents the X and Y axis and may rotate based on the camera's orientation. The right view displays the top-down perspective, showing the X and Z or Y and Z axis, depending on the camera's orientation. In the rigid body information box, 1 refers to the tracking status of the rigid body on the top of the AAK tool, and 2 to the one on the bottom. The accuracy assessment result updates at 25% intervals for each bucket. Once the test is complete, the result is compared to a system-specific threshold. Use the directional hints to help you complete each bucket. Polaris AAK delivers on-the-spot camera accuracy assessments to ensure a consistent, reliable performance your customers can trust. For questions or support, please reference the AAK User Guide or contact NDI.